Hello Mayam, welcome to my channel. Yamna kuira matungda I'm making a vlog Cheiraoba special. Akoi hujik Hyderabad da lay, and one thing I looked for after getting here is for Manipuri restaurant. And luckily I found one at Banjara Hills called Cafe Langoljam. It's a new cafe and ngasi Cheiraoba special oina. They have veg meal and fish meal. Akoi lay mafam se city dagi khara lape. Aduna entire video da 80% traveling the neko. The yengkoi travel tourist adum khadi lape city taking lapani nako. So now we have reached this high-tech city. See high tech city ki video ni. Sina ai kya ki video matek macha ma ko. Marak se da koi friends sing ate to ko lamgi ko mo Manipuri dishes try tawni na. Moisu yauni koi ko handa ki Cheiraoba se da Maharashtrian gina Gudi Padwa haini mogi ngasi gi kino si New Year se ko da moisu ko punna dum celebrate minare. So finally we have reached the location at Banjara Hills and ngasi gi chahin jang so hawe ko. So for me the Cheiraoba 2023 se successful hoire ko. Sine ngasi koi chahin jang ko jabu sing se am hawi. So guys, if you are in Hyderabad and looking for authentic Manipuri dishes, please do visit this lovely cafe at Banjara Hills in road number 12. And thank you and stay safe everyone.